Hi, Gary Paxson here. Welcome to the new year, 2020. This is our pulse for the month of January in 2020, and today we have a very special guest with us. I want to introduce you all to Shawna Ives. Shawna is our Chief Financial Officer, and I wanted you to get to know her as we start this new year. So, Shawna, welcome.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to have you here. So, Shawna, you've worked with us for several years now.
Yes, since 2016.
2016. So you came into kind of an accounting role to start.
I started as the senior accountant, and I implemented our 3 financial softwares that we use now for reporting, and did the budget and cost accounting then, and then kind of moved into the controller, now the CFO role.
Yeah. So you've been, the executive team's really gotten to know you a lot over the last couple of years. The software packages that you talk about we're very reliant on to understand how we're doing, and you've done a great job with that, and we're looking forward to the future and unrolling your talent in a new capacity. So you're certainly not new to the area either. You've kind of been in Batesville for a while. So tell us
Yes,
about
I actually grew up in the big town of Concord,
Okay.
population 250. So I grew up there. I left for maybe 5 to 6 years to go to college, and I worked for a firm in Little Rock.
Yeah.
And then I had the opportunity to come back, and this is where I want to be. This is home.
Sure. Great. So mom works at Southside, right?
Well,
Or used to.
Mom used to work at Southside. Mom now works for for DHS.
That's right. Great. So childcare background there.
Yes.
She's helped us out in a couple of unique
Yes.
things. That's been fun. And then your husband works locally too.
Yes, my husband works for Bad Boy Mowers.
Wonderful. So great. Good local ties.
Yes, very
Good long-term investment for us to work with you. We're excited, and I know you've brought a great spirit to the team, and we look forward to that. And so we just look forward to this year. Anything on your mind for as we walk into this year of what's on your mind for tackling in 2020?
The biggest thing that we have going on for this year, I think, is transparency and what we're reporting each month. We've done a big initiative towards showing different goals, measures, and keeping that. And I think that's the biggest thing that we're going to go for this month, is just all the different measures that we can account for and tracking them month to month, payroll to payroll, and just being very transparent with our information.
Well said. As we've talked a lot about last year, we've really talked about employee engagement, which is very important. And one of the things we have to remember with employee engagement is that it's a two-way street. And there's an accountability side to that two-way street. And, all of us have a job to do, and we have to be accountable. And I appreciate you talking about transparency, because from our team particularly, it's important that we let our employees know what we're doing, how well we're doing, what we need to work on, and using those measures to drive us and to hold us accountable and move forward. And so I appreciate you saying that. I look forward to, we've seen some good momentum in the first 3 months of this fiscal year, which starts in October. And so I look forward to hopefully having a great 2020.
Yes, met several goals already in the first quarter.
We have, so it's very exciting. And Shawna, we're excited to have you part of the team. Thanks for being with us today.
Thank you for having me.
My pleasure. For the month of January, we have great employees of the month to introduce to you. Donna Ramsey at Stone County Medical Center from the EVS department. Donna's been with us for 14 years and has been noted as just doing a great job of keeping our facility clean for families, visitors, staff, and Donna, we so appreciate that. That's a great first impression for everyone who comes into our organization. Congratulations to you on being selected and for your great work. At White River, we had Brandy Nast from the Wound Clinic, who's been with us for 3 years, and Brandy was noticed representing the environmental focus, or standard of environmental focus. And Brandy, we appreciate that. Great reminder that we're all responsible to take care of our surrounding environment and make sure that it's in the best place for our coworkers, for our visitors, for ourselves. And so congratulations to you, Brandy. In the area news, several announcements this month. It's time for the annual chili kickoff again. It'll be January the 22nd. And if you're interested in that, please reach out to Jerica in marketing. She can have the information for you and help you get hooked up with that fun event. Want to congratulate White River Medical Center for being selected in the Take Heart Partner Hospital, which is a great program that helps us promote cardiac rehab. Cardiac rehab is so important for so many chronic illnesses, and we're honored to be able to get this recognition and hope that it'll improve outcomes for those patients who need those services, and we can serve them even better. We want to congratulate Dale Pruitt for being selected as the Employee of the Year for 2019. Dale's worked diligently in our clinics for several years. Dale, well deserved, well earned. We appreciate you so much. It was a pleasure to give that to you in 2019, and we appreciate your service. We want to make you aware that we now have a telemedicine product called WaveLink that's available for our employees. You can download an app, and you can do a virtual urgent care visit with the provider here in our own facility. You've seen this trend across the country. It's certainly something we want to be able to provide within our own community and to our own employees, and so we're proud to be able to give that to you. Leanne Tharp is an internal contact that has all the information on that, so look out for that and be able to use that as you need to. In the area of orthopedics, we've got two great wins to share with you today. At White River, our orthopedic team here performed the first bilateral hip replacement surgery using the orthopedic robot. A big win for our facility, and we're proud of the team and all the work that went in place to be able to pull that procedure off. Congratulations to you. And we're also happy to announce that Stone County Medical Center, we're going to start doing orthopedic surgeries, total knees in particular, in the month of January, and so we're pleased to be able to extend the service that we've blazed the trail with here at White River, and extend that service up to Stone County Medical Center with Dr. Akins and Dr. Varela. We appreciate their dedication and interest in doing this, and hope it can serve that community in the same way we've been able to here in Batesville. So I hope you guys have a great month. Start off the year well, and we will look forward to talking to you in February.